We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this retired German racing driver who competed in Formula One for Jordan Grand Prix, Benetton, Ferrari and Mercedes. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest Formula One drivers ever, of all times of course. But how do you go about pronouncing his name? In German it is normally said as Michael Schumacher. Michael Schumacher. But in English it is usually said as Michael, because yes, that's what it is in English, Michael Schumacher. It is a mistake to say Schumacher, because that's really not what it is in German, but rather Michael Schumacher is the best you can do in English if you cannot say Michael Schumacher. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more German names and German car brands in particular, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.